Hi, it's Lockie here, out on a morning walk. It's beautiful. I'm going to walk up to the lighthouse there. So, we've recently passed 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all. I was thinking about how we could mark that 1,000 subs on YouTube, and I thought, well, a couple of the popular videos that have been made are about my ultralight sketching kit. Originally 44 grams, and I made a video making it lighter, getting it to 33 grams. A 33-gram sketching and painting kit. That's still practical and useful. But what if we went to ridiculous mode? What if we made it insanely light? Just, you know, as a celebration, as a bit of fun for 1,000 subscribers. So that's what I've done. I've made a 15-gram kit that features kind of drawing and painting in it in only 15 grams. It features this tiny pencil. It's absolutely minuscule, and I'm going to claim that it's the smallest mechanical pencil in the world. So I'll show you how I made that, and the rest of the kit fits in a tiny metal box. Here it is. So to see what's inside here, I might as well show you how it was made, and then we'll make some absolutely awful drawings with it, because it turns out when you make something absolutely tiny, it becomes quite difficult to work with. But you know, it's a bit of fun. 1,000 subscribers, amazing. This looks like a good spot. Nice tree stump here. I've got my absolutely minuscule painting set in this pouch, which I made from Tyvek. It's quite a good pouch for carrying little stuff around. And I'm gonna paint a little sketch of this bit of headland. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it lovely? Here it is, and we got a little thing here, also in this pouch. Just got a little bottle cap, and I'm going to use that for my painting water. Quite a beautiful landscape, and I don't think I've got any hope of capturing it. But so if this is bad, it's probably more of a skill issue than an issue with the kit, but we'll give it, we'll keep trying. Yeah, it turns out I'm just not very good at plein air painting. Oops. I'm gonna give this one more try, but we'll turn around and look over at the White Cliffs of Dover. Maybe that will be a bit more inspirational.